Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the AKAI MPK Mini, which is a mini controller for mostly PCs, but is now easily usable with the new iPad Pro 2018 seen here. So you're going to need a few things. You're obviously going to need the iPad Pro 2018, the AKAI MPK Mini, or small minis are compatible with iPads, and if you're using the newest iPad, a USB-C to USB adapter, but if you're using an older, you're going to need a Lightning to USB and a Lightning. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive for an older iPad due to there's not enough power being put on this to be able to use it on an older iPad. So let's get right into this. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your USB-C to USB and you're going to plug it into the adapter given with the AKAI MPK Mini. Alright, so after you've done that, you're going to want to plug it directly into the USB-C. If you're on an older iPad, you're going to want to plug your Lightning charger into it too. Then no errors will pop up and you'll be able to use your AKAI MPK Mini with no problems. So now we're going to open up GarageBand. I'm already on a piano, and you won't even need to set anything up except for the knobs, the dials, and the little rotator here. I'm not sure what that's called, sorry. But everything else will work. So, not setting anything up, let's just play a drum pad. So as you can see, those work perfect, and then the piano keys. They work good too. You can also use the octave buttons. Yeah. So overall, I think the AKAI MPK Mini, along with the 2018 iPad, are a really good selection if you want to start into beat making. And they also work with other things like the beat sequencer. Not all the keys work with the beat sequencer, mostly the pads. I haven't tried it with any of the other things. I'll do that right now. Let's just do the guitar. So it works with, I believe, every instrument on here. Drum pads work on there. So I believe maybe the live loops. Let's test that, I guess. Hip hop. Okay, we found something it's not good for, but all the live tracks works great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. And if you want me to do anything more with the AKAI MPK Mini or the iPad Pro and GarageBand, let me know by leaving a like and subscribing down below. Don't forget to enter the gift card giveaway. Comment down below what you want, whether it's Xbox, PlayStation, Google Play, or iTunes. And that's going to be giving them away on January 1st, I believe. And if you didn't know, January 1st, my birthday, so subscribing, make it better. Alright, I'm just going to stop, forcing you to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.